Hello all, welcome to Techno channel. This video is about reverse pivot transform in SAP BODS. It is the vice versa of pivot transform. It creates one row of data from several existing rows. The reverse pivot transform allows you to combine data from several rows into one row by creating new columns. Basically, pivot will split the data from one row to multiple columns, but here reverse pivot will combine the data from several rows into one row. For each unique value in a pivot axis column and each selected pivot column, data services produce a column in the output data set. This is the reverse pivot transform editor window in SAP BODS. Here schema in is the input and schema out is the output. Here we have multiple rows like employee number, type, name, address, phone. We will make everything into one record. Like for one employee number we have only one record which consists of type, name, address and phone. So to do this, here we have input data. So our data is grouped, we will mark here check. It will ask for non-pivot columns. Here employee number is the non-pivot column. So every employee number it will maintain one record. Pivoted columns, we can give whatever the columns we need to combine, we will give here. Name and phone number we can give it as pivoted columns. So like this we can combine the data from multiple rows into single row using reverse pivot transform in SAP BODS. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.